Hello, 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 bonsoir, bonsoir tous. Right, I have decided after a very emotional roller coaster day that I am just going to lose myself in some baking. So I'm making some banana cake. So there are my ingredients. I shall put the list of ingredients on the video, or if you watch it on YouTube, in the description area. Okay, so decided to make some banana cake. Now look at this. I've mixed it just using a regular blender, really nice and smooth. Like it, simple. And those are the ingredients. Okay, nothing major, simple. Now I've got everything ready to put in the oven. Okay, so you can see that here I've got some sultanas. That one, I added it to this, and it should be in the oven for about half an hour at most. I like it golden brown. Okay, okay. I have now completed making my banana cake. I have tasted it and I like the sugar content. It's not too sweet, which is just perfect. And this is gonna go, I'm not gonna eat this all at once, I promise. It's gonna go in the freezer, and when I want it, I can just take one out. So you can keep it in the freezer for as long as you want. Baking is something I got into during lockdown, and today started off very well, and then I watched politics and I said to myself, if those people can't tell the truth, you know what I mean? Them politicians can't tell the truth. Why are they elected? Anyway, they're supposed to be role models, yet they tell such bull-faced lies. Okay, that's my gripe for the day. So, vexation, bake. There you are, like that. Okay, before I put it away, I put it on a wooden board to let it cool down at room temperature. Best not to cut it, because when you do, see, it's not hard enough and you ruin it. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it to cool down first. But while it cools down, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. Ouch. Okay. Yum yum.